Hello guys, welcome to my channel Anubai. Today we are unboxing Logitech MK240 wireless nano keyboard with mouse combo. So let's get started. So here you can see it's it's all keyboard Lenovo, and here you can see that it's offering 36-month battery life with keyboard and 12-month with mouse. Okay, right here we have nothing, no detail. So here it's mentioned that it is compatible with Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 7, and okay, that's it. So let's go back, and here we see that it include one keyboard, one mouse, one receiver, AAA battery, 4N, and documentation. And the market price of this is as mentioned on the box is 1995 rupees, but I purchased it in 1100 rupees from Flipkart and through the sale, and the month and year of import is June 2019. And that's it guys from this side. Let's here also it says that space saving, colorful desktop duo, simple reliable wireless, and it's work on Logitech advanced 2.4 GHz wireless, and it has 10 meter of range, and battery life as I mentioned on before, 36 months for keyboard, 12 months for mouse, plus mouse have on and off switch. We'll talk it later in detail. And keyboard have adjustable height, spill proof design, 2.4 GHz, that's it. And wireless encryption, 128-bit AES, nano USB receiver, and mouse counted compact shape, smooth responsive cursor control, on off switch off and scroll wheel. Okay guys, so let's open this and let's see what's inside it. Okay guys, so let's open this, let's see what's inside. So okay, here is the keyboard. Let's put it down. Okay, so here is the keyboard. It's pretty small and portable, and I'm looking for, actually there are other big keyboard, is standard keyboard size option is also available, but I choose portable option because today everybody don't have time and they just need to connect and need a portable option, so we can carry it anywhere and connect it to any device wherever we want. So I can also see that if you have a smart Android TV, then you can also connect it with some couple of additional devices it require. Okay, so it's a neon color on back, and it's pretty much light, not too much heavy. So keep it aside and let's see what else we are getting in the package. So okay, let's open from other side. Okay. So guys, you can see here we have one mouse. Okay, we'll check it out later. And here is our one receiver, as it's mentioned on the package. So it's a small receiver, look like premium, and it's very compact, so I hope it will save a lot of space and not too much take too much space. And there must be one more battery, yeah, here. So we got 4 batteries, 2 for keyboard and 2 for mouse, and that's it guys, that's the inside the box. Let's keep it aside and let's start with the mouse. So mouse back is neon with on off button, lens, and it's like rough plastic, but looks like smooth, very fitting on my hand. But if you're a normal user, then I think it will work best, though some of the users complains that it don't have nice grip. But for the regular users and for day-to-day uses, I think it's the best to get in this price range. Okay, so see what inside. So we have option to have two cell to be inserted here, and this option is for to save to put the okay to put this receiver right here in case if you are taking the laptop and mouse with you. And this is power on off button. Okay, it's also looks quite good. And button, you can see the sound is good. Scroll is also looking good. Okay, so we'll put a cell shortly, and let's put it on one side. And here we have keyboard. All buttons looks premium. Let's open it. Okay, so okay. So it's just okay, instruction box, and here is the keyboard. Looks very small, but there is some weight, means it look like it's a premium keyboard having a nice button over it, and small buttons. I hope if you are a user who is using laptop and having some small keyboards key buttons like this up and down, so you don't feel any issue with it. Like if you see on my laptop right here, it also have the same kind of key panel for up and down. Users are saying that it's very small, but I think it's okay for the users who are using uh, laptops, and those are comfortable with typing using the laptop. So let's check it out. What back? So back we have two buttons to set the height, and we also have this cell option to be added right here, and that's it. So let's place the cell, and I will give you another look. So guys, I have added a cell on both keyboard and mouse, and the weight of it increased, but it's all okay. So let's connect the receiver with the laptop and see how it's work. So as you can see that the mouse have this on off button, but you can see that there is no light available on the back side. As we see in regular mouse, there is a one optical regular mouse where we see red light is coming out of it, but there is also infrared or something technology is implemented, so that there is no light, but it's keeps sensing the device. So let's see it out. And also the keyboard. So okay, so I just set up the mouse. So right here, let me show you. So on the screen you can see the mouse, and okay, let's see. Okay, it's working fine, and you can see from here. Okay, let's type it out something. So it's working. So you can see that it's working on, and it's all good. Speed is very fast. Okay, so that's it guys. So let me work on it, and let's see how it will work with the daily use, and I will shoot one more video for this. And there is some more details I would like to share with you, like this mouse is not based on Bluetooth, it's using wireless with 2.4 gigahertz, and the laptop, the keyboard also have some multimedia keys over here, you can see it. And though these all buttons can be used with this function key, so you have to press this function key with the buttons. And this keyboard comes with 3-year warranty from the Logitech, So I hope that is a good option to take if you are looking for any portable keyboard, or if you are a user who is okay to have miss who is who have regular habit of typing through their laptop. So I think this keyboard is work for you. Thank you guys, and meet you in my next video. Bye bye.